My name is Ryan. I am a student of 평촌브랜치, and today I will be talking about my favorite season. Season is when time flows, and over several months the weather changes a lot. There is spring, summer, autumn, and winter. When spring comes, we can see many various flowers. And for typical flowers during spring is cherry blossom. Summer is the season that is very hot and there are many insects. Autumn is when season that leaves at the tree became red and yellow. Winter is when snow comes. In my own opinion, I think summer is the worst season. It is because summer is really hot and makes people sweat. But my favorite season is spring. Here are two reasons why. First, I can go on many vacations with my family or friends. In my experience, I go camping with my family and go to a resort or water parks with my friends. I think going on vacation with family and friends is a great thing. This would make people feel good and excited. I'm guessing I will have no time to go on vacation during other seasons. If I do not go on vacation during spring, I think I will have a bad feeling with spring and also other seasons. Second, there are many insects and the weather conditions are very nice. The reason that I like insects is because if I catch insects, then I could give suitable conditions to them so I can grow them and observe them. When we observe them many times, we can feel very interested in them. And as I said in the reason, it has nice weather conditions. I think that spring is a very great season to observe many things, including growth of many animals, insects, and weather changes. We can feel a little bit lonely because we need to watch many creatures die and have many illness. But I think as we see as entire seasons, like spring, summer, autumn, and winter, spring is the best season. To conclude, I think spring is the best season because I can go many vacations with families and friends, and there are many insects and the weather conditions are very nice. Thank you for listening to my presentation.